Hello everyone. So what will you do if you receive this kind of email from terlo.com, an open case? So I received this email on February 28, 2022, saying that we have detected that the case was opened on your account, blah blah blah, with amount 23.48. So what will you do if you receive this type of email? This uh, was experience mostly sa mga nagte-trade ni Terlo. From Terlo, kapag nagte-trade kayo, ganito yung marireceive ninyo. One of the main reasons why bakit ganyan is because maybe si Terlo nag-send sa'yo ng mga sobrang amount, and upon checking, pag-review nila, sumobra yung sinend niya na amount. Ayan, magkakawan na yan sila ng dispute. It's because we have this what do you call that one, buyer protection, kaya ginagawa nila yan. That's why they are using PayPal, is because PayPal has this buyer protection and they can open a dispute anytime, just in case mayroong mga unauthorized na mga transactions. So on your end, what will you do if you receive this email? So actually, there is the steps that you need to do. All you have to do is to follow the steps in here. I will have to share to you my experience also regarding this, and what is the impact of this account on your account regarding this if you receive this email. So nothing guys, all you have to do, just follow. It may be parang iba yung feeling mo dito, feel mo parang scam to, ganyan kasi bakit nagsisend na ganito, ganyan. So wag kayong mag-isip guys na scam to. Ginagawa nila to kasi because PayPal has this what they call one, buyer protection, kaya ginagawa nila to. So all you have to do, please be kind to close the case with a full refund from your solution center and provide the screenshots to our support team that the first one is the case is closed in on buyer favor, and then the second one is the funds deducted from your account. So what you need to do guys is you need to respond this kind of email. You need to find the email that what they call that say I will have to show you this one, PayPal case. So if you have this case, there is an issue with the recent transaction. So all you have to do is to click this button here, view the case details. So pagkatapos yung mag-click yan, pupunta kayo dito sa resolution center. Once you go to this resolution center, there is an open case there. Sa akin, in my case right now, is 0, and sa inyo merong 1. So all you have to do is to click that open case, and then here sa baba makikita nyo yung resolution. Just click that one and then process that full refund. Remember guys, that full refund will not be automatically be refunded to the buyer. So we will wait from the instruction from the decision from PayPal. So ito yan. So regarding the case, ganyan, requested a refund for has requested a refund of $23.48, and after nyo close yung sa resolution center, balik kayo and then wait. Kapag patapos nyo yung ma-file yon, wait for the PayPal's decision. So maghintay kayo ng PayPal decision, and then screenshot nyo yung mga kailangan. Ano yung mga dapat nyong i-screenshot? Itong ganito, I will have to show you. Ito. So once you have filed already the refund, you wait for 24 hours. And then you will receive this kind of email that we've decided the case in your favor. Hintayin nyo yung email from PayPal pagkatapos nyo mag-process ng refund. Hindi pa yun nila isa-send guys automatically sa buyer. You will wait for this email. And then kapag ganito na yung mangyayari, we've decided the case in your favor sa akin. PayPal decided the case in my favor as a seller. So what I did is I took a screenshot of this email and then I sent them to the Terlo support. So pagkatapos kong ma-send yan, magre-reply sila kaagad. Ito yung ano ko, screenshot ko na send sa kanila. And then after that, magre-reply sila after 24 hours. Ito yung reply nila from support. So thank you, hello, thank you for providing information. As the case was solved in your favor, you do not have any missing amount due to this case that should be covered. So what does this mean guys? Anong ibig sabihin ito? So meaning to say yung refund hindi na process, hindi na natuloy yung refund. Ibinalik na sa inyo yung pera. That's the case guys kapag ganyan yung decision ni PayPal. So what if the case is decided on buyer's favor? Anong gawin ninyo? So same pa din. Follow nyo lang tong instruction from Terlo na mag-take kayo ng screenshot, and then yung pangalawa is the funds deducted from your account. Ano mangyayari kapag kapag na-deduct na sa yung account? You will have to take a screenshot sa PayPal account mo. Pag-take ka ng screenshot na nakuha na debit yung pera. So, pakita mo, screenshot mo yung pera na ni-debit. For example, ito. So, take screenshot for this transaction and then send nyo yan kay PayPal. Send nyo yan kay Terlo. Sorry. Send nyo yan kay Terlo, yung screenshot, and then you will have, makaka-receive kayo after 24 hours ng message. So, ang message nila usually kapag ganyan guys, ang result po niyan is ganoon pa din, ibabalik nila sa inyo yung pera na nawala sa yung account. And then if your PayPal account is in permanent limit na siya, you can use other PayPal account from your friend, from your siblings, mga kapatid mo or mga kakilala mo na mayroong mga PayPal account. Pwede mo yun i-send, i-refund nila, ibibigay nila i-send nila doon yung pera, yung for example yung $23, send nila yun sa bago mong PayPal account. So wala pa ring guys, so hindi scam guys, because Terlo is very honest when it comes when you reach out to them. Reach out lang, and then kailangan yung mga screenshot na kinakailangan, yung mga documents na kailangan nila, you really need to give it to them and then send it to their support. So, ganun pa rin guys. So, kapag decided the case in your favor as a seller, walang mangyayaring refund. It will be reverted back to your account. And kapag mangyayari din, if the decision is on buyer's favor, ganun pa rin. Kaya lang mas matagal lang konti kumpara dito sa sa seller's favor. Yung buyer's favor, abutin pa ng 24 hours, again another 24 hours bago ma-send yung pera na nawala. Send nila sa bago mong PayPal account, active na PayPal account. So ganyan guys. So those are the things that you need to do para how to answer, para masagot nyo yung open case from Terlo.com. So I hope that you learn guys from this short video that I shared to you. Have a nice day ahead. God bless you.